Probably the most important moment of the day for me was going to see the supplies going out to all of the states that have been doing public health training initiative programs. So there was equipment for training materials, reading materials, computers, books. It really was a day full of senses, starting with the health program and going to the trachoma surgery, and then literally holding the hand of a woman who was going to have her life changed by this surgery.
This patient is low pain threshold.
Day 3 in Khartoum ended up being very crowded, which is why we're doing this a day later. We had protests in the streets and there was a lot of traffic.
Macy?
Yeah.
My biggest takeaway from the day was the juxtaposition between being in a molecular biology lab, looking at flies and how we treat them and separate them and test them for the DNA for the spread of disease, and then being in a refugee camp later in the day where we had a trachoma screening. Within the first hour that we were there, 5 cases were already referred for surgery. Because of logistical reasons, our 5 a.m. flight did not happen, but it did happen around 2 o'clock today, which got us into the White Nile state in enough time to see a couple of patients with lymphatic filariasis. It was important to see and know that we are going to be here with our new program to help LF in this region. Then off to another academy where I was able to see a number of procedures being done on the anatomically correct models that we have sent down, and listen to a woman from South Sudan talk about traveling up here and spending time training so she can go back and be in the refugee camp where she is to take care of the people around her. And now we're trying to get to the airport before the sun goes down. It has been a fantastic adventure both here in Khartoum and in the White Nile state. Meeting the staff and looking at pictures on the wall of some people who've been here 20 years really hits home to me about the historic nature of all of our work here, from the 1995 ceasefire that President Carter held with Guinea worm to the work we're doing now with the young citizen observers. This country is amazing. I'm looking forward to coming back with a healthier, more democratic country.